So this is second word problem on ratio, and it is mother wants to divide rupees 36 between her daughters A and B. So A and B are daughters of this mother, and she wants to divide this rupees 36 between these two in the ratio of their ages. So whatever will be the ratio of the ages of A and B, in that ratio this sum will be divided between these two daughters. If age of A is 15 years, age of A is 15 years, and age of B is 12 years. Find how much A and B will get. So we have to divide this rupees 36 between A and B depending upon the ratio of their ages. So if I have to find age of A to age of B, okay, we are finding a ratio, that is age of A to age of B will be equal to 15 to 12. Now, of course, this ratio is not in its simplest form. If we have to simplify it in its simplest form, then what will be the way? What is the highest common factor of 15 and 12? You'll say that the highest common factor of 15 and 12 is 3. You can calculate that. So if I divide 5 by 3, you will get 5. And if I divide 12 by 3, I'll get 4. Therefore, the ratio of their ages is 5:4. Okay. Now, those of you who are thinking that can't we do it as of age of B to the age of A. In that case, this will be 12 to 15. And if we simplify it, we'll get 4 to 5. And this will be 4:5. It's just the reverse of it. So doesn't matter which way you follow, whether this one or this one, you'll get the same answer. So I just wanted to clarify it. If there was any doubt, whether you follow this one or this one, you'll get the same answer. So let me remove this one. Okay. Now we have ratio 5:4, that is 5 to 4. Now if I add this 5:4, if I add these two numbers, then this will give us 5 plus 4 equal to 9. What does that tell us? It tells us that if we have rupees 9, if mother has rupees 9, then 5 parts, that is rupees 5, will be of A, that is daughter A. Because why? Because this is A ratio B, that is age of A to the age of B, and that is 5:4. Therefore rupees 5 will be for A, and another 4 parts, that is rupees 4, will be of the daughter B. So in rupees 9, 5 parts, that is rupees 5, will be of A. 4 parts, that is rupees 4, will be of B. 5 plus 4 equals to 9. 9, 5, 4 of A and B. Okay. We have rupees 36. Now, we have the information for rupees 9 that if mother has rupees 9, then rupees 5 will go to A and rupees 4 will go to B. But now we have 36. If we have to think of this rupees 36 in terms of rupees 9, so how many such 9s can we think of? You'll say that's very simple, yeah. 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 will be 36. That is 9 times 4 will be 36. We know this table of 9. That means that if we multiply 9 4 times, we'll get 36. So we can think of this 36 in terms of 9 as total 4 9s. And another way to count that will be simply divide 36 by 9 and it will give you 4. Okay, this 4 and here 4 times 9 plus 9 plus 9, they all are telling the same thing. That is, if we have to think of rupees 36 in terms of 9, then there will be total 9 such counts, 4 such counts. So if let's talk about the person A. If we have rupees 9 only, if mother has rupees 9 only, then in 1 9, rupees 5 will go to A. But now since we have 4 such 9s, right? We have 4 such 9s. Therefore, how much amount will A get? That will be 5 for 1. Therefore, for total number of 4 9s, this will be 20. That is rupees 20. What about B? Since if mother has rupees 9, for 1 9, B will get rupees 4. But here total we have 4 such 9s, right? Total number of 4 counts, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So if in 1 9 we have 4, so in total 4 9s will have 4 times 4. That is rupees 16. And if you add it, 20 plus 16, you'll get 36. So the point was that depending upon the ratio, we assume that in rupees 9, 5 parts will go to A, 4 parts will go to B. That is, in rupees 9, rupees 5 will be of A and rupees 4 will be of B. And if we think of this rupees 36 in terms of 9, then how many such 9s can we calculate? The answer will be, if you divide 36 by 9, you'll get 4. So for person A, if in 1 9 rupees she gets 5, so if we have total 4 such 9s, then that will be 5 times 4, that's 20. And similarly for B, it will be 4 times 4, that will be 60. So 20 plus 16 is 36.